Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Redis certification 2026 and you can save up to $175. So this is equal to approx 16,727 rupees. So here Redis certification, there is a three certifications are there. They are providing for free. One of these you can go. So this is the associate developer, associate cloud operator, associate software operator. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. Here 100% free Redis certification 2026 save 16,727, that is approx $175 and digital page. So Redis certification 2026 official certification program and exam details. Looking to validate your Redis expertise with an official Redis certification. Redis has introduced a new certification program designed to provide a role-based credential for the professional working with the Redis technology. The current Redis certification program include the associate level certification such as the Redis Associate Developer Certification, Redis Associate Operator Certification, Redis Associate Cloud Operator Certification. We'll go through the step-by-step process, so don't skip the video. So this certification exam are delivered through the Kryterion and AI protected secure examination platform. The program is open to individual worldwide including Redis customer, community member, partner, employees. Candidate must be at least 18 years of old, meet the applicable registration requirement. So after successful passing the application exam, candidate receive a Redis certificate and digital badge through the accreditable, which can be shared across the professional network and social platforms. Redis states that the certifications are generally valid for 2 years from the date of earn and subject to applicable recertification requirement. So this is the Redis certification page and this is the Redis certification program terms and conditions page. So this video provides the important information about the Redis certification program 2026, available certification tracks, official exam platform, certification credential, digital badges, eligibility and other key details for the Redis professional and IT career. So important is that certification availability, exam pricing, requirement, delivery platform and other program details may be changed. Always verify the latest information on the official Redis website before registering. So let me open this official Redis certification page. When you'll open, you'll get this page. So there you can find the get certified and Redis certification. So Redis like skills matter, make your visible. Earn a certificate that validate real world Redis expertise across the development, cloud operations, and software operations. So these are the certificate. Get started first. Why get certified and FAQs. So these are there. So three certifications are there. So Redis developer certification, cloud operator, and software operator. So sign up early and get certified for free. So join the first wave Redis certified engineer and get 100% off for your first exam with the code early access 100. And I will open the term and conditions. Not this. So this is a Redis certification program terms and conditions. So there is a three certifications are there and additional certification includes a partner certification, advanced level certification may be offered from the time to time. So Redis revised the right to change the platform through the which exam is delivered and all the term and conditions are there. So eligibility and registration. So this program open to all individual including Redis customer, community members, partners and employees. The register for the exam you must be the at least 18 years old and be valid account of the Kryterion platform, provide the accurate and correct and complete registration information. So payment and refund, scheduling and rescheduling. You must schedule your exam through the this platform available with the rolling base, and you may reschedule and cancel exam. No change prior to request to made at least 24 hours before. So other details are there, exam details and retake. Each exam purchase includes a one exam attempt. If you do not pass the initial exam, you have to purchase the additional exam attempts. Okay. Exam format and candidate conduct, certification award and validity, and users. So all the terms and condition you go through this step by step. Now we're coming back to this page. So there are three certifications are there: turn Redis skill into certified credential. So there is a FAQs are there. So now I'm going to the cloud operator certification. So click there. And here you can find the Redis Associates Cloud Operator Certification 100% off for the initial time of the code is early access 100. So let's copy the code. And there is a register for exam and download the exam guide. You can download the exam guide. So this is the exam guide. You have to go through all the details. It will give you so number of question, number of types, time allotted, passing score, and exam fee, delivery language, and other details. So you can go with this. So domain one architecture 9% exam content, and there is a second is that 11% exam subscription administrator, then database administrator 70%, 17%, and security on 15%, domain 4, networking 14%, monitoring 11%, automation 11%, data access 12%. So you can go through this and all the details you can find there. Okay. So answer key and other platform, you can go with this. So close this. So exam at a glance. So there is a 90 minutes of exam online proctorate. Price is $175. Question is 65. Passing score is 70%. Validity is 2 years. So prepare for your exam. So operate Redis cloud. So you can go self-placed studies there. You can go with this. Cost is free. Total time it will take 12 to 16 hours. Language Python, Java, JavaScript, .NET. Format video with the hands-on expertise. Study guide and practice exam. This is also cost is free. Time it will take 1 to 3 hours. There is a training, but training this is not free. You have to pay for this. So get started. Register for exam and download the exam guide. So we are going to register for exam. To open this. So sign in option is there. You have a user email address and password. You can go directly with the login, or you can log in with the Google, GitHub, single sign on. So let me going through the Google. You can select your name. So click. Provide your name, Chirag Mahto, your address, country, and postal code, and continue to exam. So there is a welcome to Redis certification, register for exam option is there, assessment, register for exam and other details. So Redis skill are in demand. So a Redis certification validates real world expertise in development, cloud operation and software development. So you can welcome to the Redis certification. Just go with the register for exam and search for exam. There is a multiple exams are there. So as per your requirement, you can just select exam. So Redis Associate Cloud Operators exam. This is a software operator, developer certification Java, JavaScript, Python, .NET. So I'm just selecting the Redis Associate Cloud Operator for the testing purpose. So click on register. So other exam detail, total cost is $175 USD dollar. Click on register. So please choose your exam date and time below. So here change your time zone. So STR Kolkata as per your time zone you can select. Next, Redis Associate Cloud Operator certification of AI-proctored and take your exam now. And you can other option is you can select a date. Just like September 29 I'm selecting, and this is a time 6 a.m. to this is a time slot. Evening time if you're selecting you will get the evening time, and just 11 p.m. I'm selecting. As per your requirement you can select. You are selected September 26 11 p.m. IST. Okay, so click on this. So program and term and conditions. So these are the three exams, and there is a acknowledgement option is there. Acknowledge that I've read the term, understood the all the information, state that the text box. So click here and process. So USD dollar is 175, and subtotal is this, including tax is this, and process to payment. So voucher code will be appear in the checkout. So click on process. So this is a checkout page and total price is 206, and here is the voucher option is there. Let me put this and click on apply. So your coupon has been applied. So now your cost become a 0, and there is a option is submit order. So we are going to submit the order. So thank you. You have successfully registered the Redis Associate Cloud Operator Certification exam and online proctorate, and this is Saturday 26 September 2026 and 11:23 UTC 5 Indian time. There is a 5:30 plus. So add a calendar. Ensure that you have complete all the steps. So steps 1, they install the secure browser. In step 2, pre-launch. So you can change this one and go to my exam. So this is the exam. You can select the date, and there is a launch option is there, and you can reschedule or cancel the exam. And you will get a mail regarding this also. So exam purchase detail, you got this. So all the details regarding exam. So exam you purchase and all the details, and this is the link successful exam to, and ensure that your cancellation before 24 hours and other details are there. So you have paid 0 USD, confirmation code and other details. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Redis certification 2026. There is a 3 certifications are free. You can go able to go there as per your requirement. .NET and this one Java. All the exams are free. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.